Welcome to my channel, Boy Kids channel.
Hello kids, learn the names of the vehicles. This is forklift. What is this? This is forklift. This is forklift. This is forklift. And next we see another vehicle, that is the tractor. Tractor. What is this? This is tractor. The tractor is green in color. The tractor. This is tractor. Next we see the vehicle recycling truck. What is this? This is recycling truck. This is recycling truck. And this is recycling truck. Next, the vehicle is the cement mixer. Cement mixer. What is this? This is cement mixer. This is cement mixer. What is this? Cement mixer. And this is the another vehicle, which is the dump truck. This is called the dump truck. What is this? This is dump truck. Dump truck. Dump truck. What is this? This is dump truck. And we see the subway, which is also a vehicle. This is subway. What is this? This is subway. This is subway. And what is this? This is subway. This is the vehicle which flies in the sky. This name is helicopter. What is this? Helicopter. Tell me, what is this? This is helicopter. 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 And next we see another vehicle which is also flies on the sky. This is aeroplane. What is this? This is aeroplane. Tell me, what is this? This is aeroplane. Aeroplane. And next we see parachute. What is this? This is called parachute. What is this? Parachute. Tell me, what is this? This is parachute. What is this? This is parachute. And next we see train. What is this? This is called train. 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 Tell me, what is this? This is train. Train. What is this? This is called train. Train. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe.